What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bino. I'm back with another video, and it's getting pretty late outside, but we don't care. All we want to do is just talk about the shoes. And of course, happy Saturday. I hope y'all having a blessed day and a wonderful afternoon. And for me, I'm having a great afternoon right now. Nothing too serious whatsoever. But today, it's all about the shoes. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Y'all wondering what's inside this box. What banger does he got for us today? Well, to be honest, I don't know what's inside this box. I don't know if this is a banger or not. And please don't say, yo, I need to know what's inside the shoe before the video. I can't tell you. You're gonna have to see when I unbox this. So why don't we get right to the boxing and just go from there. Then you'll see what's inside of it. There we go. That was quick. Now time to cut this box open. Whereas Nailman Kicks will say, do a strip tease with this, but I'm not Nailman, so I don't do that stuff. Really. So we're just gonna have to go from there. All right, cut it open. What we got? Okay. Okay. Oh snap! What the heck? I don't know what was inside that box, but I got all over my pants. All right, let me put my. Got this. My mic is acting funny. Alright, that's better. Alright, we got a typical Air Jordan 1 box, classic. As you can see right here, classic info right here on this side. Yep, right there. 10.5. The plug that sent me this didn't have 11 or 12, so let's try with 10.5. And remind you, I used to wear 10.5. In fact, I have a 10.5 pair in my collection right now for Jordan 1s. I haven't worn it in a while. I don't know if it still fits me or not. Let's look inside the shoe real quick. Ooh! I finally got them. So, I know what y'all thinking. And no, it's not a new Jordan that is coming out because I'm not nowhere near it yet, but bam, we got the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. Now, for those of you guys who do not know this shoe came out in 2018, I believe. I remember because, and this is a funny story, I tried to get this pair right after I was done with class. I tried to get this pair, and then on my way over to the sneaker store, Eblin's. If those of y'all do not know what Eblin's are, check out the website. They got a lot of good shoes on there. Some, not anymore, but some. I tried to get this pair when it came out, and the only pair that they had was like a size 13, and they ran out. I was mad because I didn't get that size 13 shoe, and if they had a size 12 or 11, I'll be happy with it. But the 13, I was not. I can't be satisfied with 13. Like, do I look like a 13 to you? So that's the end of the story. But now since I got them, I was hoping for like a size 12, but didn't have them, and it sucks because, you know, you can't get what you can't get, really, but it takes time. So this shoe speaks for itself. For those of you who do not know, Michael Jordan won the Rookie of the Year award back in 84-85 NBA season by only just averaging 25 points, I believe. And actually, no, I'm way off on that shit. 28 points. Yeah, it also says it right here too, even though they kind of put it on right there. 28 points per game. And also winning that made him have 2,000 points. 2,000 points for a rookie is unbelievable. Usually they'll just get to 1,000 and just go from there, but 2,000 points, that's really an accomplishment for Jordan. Now you got that beautiful tumble leather. Actually, this is really good tumble leather, like creasing tumble leather. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at this. It's amazing. The tongue is on point. Even this part where it has a Nike logo on this side, it has that leather. Wonderful. The back is all stitched up. Almost kind of reminds me of like a jersey or whatever. And the back of the shoe looks great. I can't play. Well, can I play with the suede? I don't know if I can or not, but nah, can't play with the suede. Overall, this shoe is really amazing. I like this shoe a lot, and yeah, I just can't wait to wear them, really, because Again, I haven't wore a 10.5 in a long time, but I'll have to see and stretch them out for myself, really. Who knows? But let's look inside this shoe. Let's look at the straps. I forgot about the straps, my bad. Inside, you got Rookie of the Year, 28 points a game, and 2,000 points. And what else it says right here? 84-85 season, of course. And on this side, it says a quote where it says, "This reward is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to this team." Now, this quote will make you be having a MJ mentality. No lie. Like, if you're on a basketball team and you feel like your teammates ain't doing for you, you got to go out there and take the opportunity. You know what I'm saying? But this shoe, I love this shoe. This shoe is amazing. I love it to death. And I'm glad I got them. I'm glad I got this pair. And let me pull out the other pair right now. Like I said, I'm just glad I have this pair, because if I did not have this pair, my Jordan collection would be shit. And yes, the only person I know that has this pair is Colo. Shout out to Colo, by the way. Don't put me on your t-shirt, Colo. I hate that stuff. But other than that, yeah, I like this shoe a lot, and I'm just happy I got them. But enough of that. Enough of me talking about the shoes. I know that this shoe go for about probably like 400, maybe 300. Could be higher, or I could be wrong. But I'll put the price and the info down below, and the link to StockX if y'all want to cop it from there or have options. It's up to y'all. But yeah, to rate this shoe, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But now, enough being said, let's get to this OnFoot review. Let's go.